Hi, my name is Sky. I'm 9 years old and I'm going to 4th grade. The name of my project is the camera. The hardware I used was a Raspberry Pi, a webcam, MF wires, 2 push buttons, and resistors. For software I use Python version 3.4.2, and for the code I'm going to explain to you how I made the code so it worked. First of all, I imported RPI to GPIO and time and sleep and PyCamera from PyCamera, because these modules, because if I import these modules, they come from the Python library, and if I import it, it would let me access certain methods that I need to use to run my my program. Secondly, I set up the GPIO pins, and I made an object called camera. And then since when I plug it in, it would be upside down, I had to use camera.rotation to turn it 180 degrees. So even if the camera's upside down, it would take pictures the right way up. And then I used a while true loop to. So if I press this one button, it would set up my image effects and my text and text size. And then when I let go, it would take one picture. But if I press a different button, it would be the same thing. But when I let go, every 3 seconds, it would take one picture until there's 5 pictures that have been taken. I'm going to run my program. Oh.
Hello.
And then if I press one button,
Wow.
hi Stevie. It's gonna take a. That's a picture. I told you.
Ooh.
Hi Stevie. There am I. I used Sketch, so it would look like a colored pencil design. It's the picture. It's saved to desktop. So if I move this, you'd see the pictures that you've taken is there. Since I named it Estella, so it would say Estella 0, Estella 1, Estella 2, Estella 3, and Estella 4. And then that's one of them.
Nice.
And then I want to see what this one is. And then there's so if you just double click on there, and if I change where it says hi, my name is Sky Camp, it can say anything. Let's say if I take a picture, it would say banana. Any other questions?
Why is it called Estella 0, Estella 1, Estella 2?
Because I used a for loop, so it would show. So because I would use a Stella percent, the percent sign, and then S. So but the last one does not count, so it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah.
What is the foreground color?
The foreground is black, so you saw where it said hi, my name is Sasuke. It would change the color, and this one has where it says the hashtag. And if you do that, it would have like a whole box around it, and it would be a certain color. Yes.
Do you think you're gonna do that when you grow up, like stuff like that?
I don't know. Good question. We'll see when I get there.
All right. Good job, Scott.
Thank you for listening.
Very good.